Lot of my friends keep asking me, bro, what is an AI agency and how do I start that? Can you provide some basic guide?
More agentic capabilities.
An AI agent.
Agents. Agentic workflows. Agentic.
So in this video, I'm breaking down 5 essential keys you need to know as a beginner to launch an AI automation agency, even if you're starting from scratch and have no idea about AI. The first essential key is that to know what is an AI automation agency is. The second, why it is a golden opportunity of the decade. And the third, what are the best tools to build an AI automation, an AI agent. And the fourth one is the most commonly asked question, do I need a computer science degree to start this? And the fifth one, how to get monetized and how to get paid from this. If you watch this video till to the end, you will not need to scroll for another how to start video. What is an AI automation agency? Basically, this is a very new service which is offered to replace the manual task or repetitive task of the businesses with the AI agents, so they don't need to hire multiple employees for the work. They pay you to create an intelligent system or AI system that will do the work for them. Why this is the golden opportunity of the decade? The number one, the timing is perfect. We are at the sweet spot where AI tools are powerful enough to solve real problems, but simple enough that you don't need a computer science degree to use them. You get your fourth answer here only. It's like a social media marketing was in 2016, early adopters what made fortunes. Timing is perfect, that's why it is the golden opportunity of the decade. The second one, the demand is exploding. Every business owners I talked, even my local businesses, they need someone who can automate their manual works, but they don't know how to do that. Like they want to automate their customer service, lead qualification, appointment scheduling. There are so much other things in the business which you can automate. They know they need automation, but they don't know how to do it. And the third, the margins are incredible. You can build an automation system for a client in 2-3 days that saves them 30 plus hours per week. They are happy to pay you $3,000 to $4,000. But this depends on your sales skills, automation skills, and your previous work which you have done with your older clients. So we are done with the first part. Let's move to the part that what are the most demanded AI solution which can you provide as a service. The number one is voice agents. These are so interesting. These are the AI systems that handle phone calls automatically. The beauty of these agents are they work 24/7 and will grow your business while you sleep. Voice agents are of two types, inbound one and the outbound one. What is the difference between inbound and outbound one? The inbound one is the one in which you are going to call to the agent and agent will receive the call and talk to you. And the outbound one is that the agent will going to call you and you will going to receive the call and talk to the agent. Let me take an one example for both. So first of all, I'm going with inbound one. Suppose here is a dealer of Nexa agency who wants an AI receptionist that takes a call and tell the customer about the car inquiries and books the car test drives, and which can also tell about the EMI options in the cars. So these are the work which is done by the receptionist in the car dealership, and we are going to replace that receptionist with the inbound AI agent. Let's take an example for the outbound one same. For outbound, I'm going to take an example for any e-commerce brand. Whenever you visit any e-commerce brand, then you save the something in your cart and you forget about that when you get busy in any work. So here the outbound agent will come. When you implement the outbound agent on any e-commerce store, on any e-commerce website, it will going to call you after 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, whatever time limit you set, and it will be like, hey sir, how are you? And you have added something in your cart. Why you don't buy that? What is the problem you are facing? Agent will going to give some discount, send the links directly to the WhatsApp. This is the outbound agent. It will going to reactivate your leads. Suppose 51 of the leads is visited your website and saved the item in a cart. 5 of them have bought the item and rest of them are just busy with their work. So your outbound agent will call rest of the people to remind them about the cart and will give them some offer. So from that, suppose you reactivate your 20 leads. That's how it is easy. From the single voice agent, you reactivated your 20 leads. Now you are like, what if I hire an employee which will going to do a call? If you have a big company, then you have to hire multiple employees. But this AI agent will call the multiple like 20, 30, 40 people at the same time. That means single voice agent you need to call the multiple people. That's the beauty of this business. And the beauty of the business is that the businesses are willing to pay you that much money if you are going to solve this type of problems. Now the second one, the workflow automation agents. These are the behind the scene workers. They connect different software tools and make them talk to each other automatically. The workflow automation agents covers with the Anatan and Make.com type of tools, which you have seen in the YouTube videos also. So let us take an example of this type of agents. The number one, invoice generator. In invoice generator, many local businesses wasting their time to collect money and follow up. So this invoice generator will send them invoice automatically after 7 days, 14 days, whatever time limit you have set in that. so you don't need to send them manually. And the email outreach system is that scrapes the leads from LinkedIn Maps and connects with other tools. It will send automated emails to clients and do follow-ups. This is the main one, which is basically most commonly used by businesses. We are going to talk about the recruitment agencies. They scrape the leads from the LinkedIn for the job posting and they manually do emails to them. That's how they are wasting a lot of time, and they hired so many copywriters and everything. So you can replace all these things with a single agent and you can charge money for that.
And the third one, AI chat agents, which includes WhatsApp chatbot, website chatbot, Instagram automation.
These are the AI chat agents. The most commonly used is WhatsApp chatbot. And let me tell you one thing, by the way, I have made a video on invoice generator, email outreach system and WhatsApp chatbot, all three, but I haven't uploaded it right now. So if you want to learn how to make all this in free, keep watching my videos. WhatsApp chatbot means automating the WhatsApp of any business with the use of simple OpenAI API keys, etc. Follow-up chatbot, appointment setter, etc. These are all the extra agents which you can make and provide as a service. It is like having a customer service team that works 24/7 and never needs a break. Now, what are the best tools which you can use to implement all these solutions? Now here, where most people get overblamed, they think that they need to learn a complex coding to implement all these solutions. This is completely wrong. That means you are unaware with the AI. I am going to give you the exact 4 tools which I use to build the AI and automation system. The number 1, N10. Number 2, Make.com. Number 3, Retail. And number 4, Vapi. The N10 and Make.com is basically most commonly used for workflow automations for the businesses. And the Retail and the Vapi are the AI voice agents builders. But with Retail and Vapi, while building a voice agents, you also need any of them, N10 or Make.com, as a backend. Okay. So these are the 4 tools you can use to build an AI and automation system for businesses and sell your services. These all 4 are the powerhouse of the workflow automation. You can build a complex automation with simple drag and drop methods. You don't need any coding and everything. And the best part is that each of these tools have the free trials which you can use. Like someone have 7 days, someone have 14 days. So you can use. So while using the N10 and Make.com, you only need to understand the business process. And the second thing is how to connect the nodes to get the best output. Okay, so let's come to the part which you are waiting for, how to get paid. Provide voice AI agents, provide workflow automation, WhatsApp chatbot, provide all this type of automation that actually solve the business's problems. They are willing to pay you the money. Set up it and hand it over to the client. Build the automation, you set up the automation and hand it over to the client. And if the automation is so easy which you have built, you can just record your Loom video and send to him. So whenever he feels stuck, he can watch that. And the second one, setup charge plus retainer. If any of a client who is too busy with his work, so you can ask for a setup charge first and then retainer for like 3 months, 1 year. But what is my suggestion is that for starting, if you are completely beginner, go for setup it and hand it over to the client, because you are completely new and you can't manage that. If you have set up 3-4 agents successfully, then go for the retainer one. Once you build this system, they run 24/7 without you. Your client get consistent results and you get recurring revenue. Okay, so I have shown you what is an AI automation agency is, what are the agents that make the serious money, and the exact tools to implement these solutions. But here's the truth, information without the action is worthless. The AI automation agency opportunity is real. It's happening right now and early movers will going to be successful. While everyone is still figuring out what is an AI and they are still busy with the ChatGPT, and now you are completely above to the 98% of the people. So if you're serious about building an AI automation agency, I'm going to share a complete 3 months roadmap for an AI automation agency. I will build whole automation here for you in my next video. So stay tuned. And if you find this video useful, hit the like button.